Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here with a backyard update. Here we are in spring, May 14th, 2018. Just received the shipment of palms in again and all looking pretty good. Here we have some Trachycarpus fortunii, windmill palms, everything down from 30 gallons, 15 gallons, right down to single 1 gallon pots here. But I just wanted to highlight that this year I brought in a Sabal Palmetto, and I've experimented in the past with no success after 3 years, but I insisted on getting one where the palmetto isn't trunking at all. In fact, the growing bud is below grade underneath ground. So for winter hardiness, I wanted to experiment with one of these here, and I just so happened to have received a double trunking Sabal Palmetto. So this one stands about 8 to 9 feet high, and I'm looking forward to planting it. So here it is in a 30 gallon bucket and grower's pot, and we want to make sure that again the growing bud is below grade, and that should provide more cold hardiness than your typical trunking palmetto, which I've had in the past. Beautiful palms, one of my favorite. And over here we have a Sabal minor, 30 gallon yet again, and this one's about 4 to 5 feet. Just a beautiful Sabal minor right here for Blair. And I've got a bunch of 30 gallon windmills as well for John. I've got another one here for Joyce. I have another one for Eric in the back over there. So anyhow, stay tuned.